Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know, so they attacking boss there, man. NEWLINK, you know what I mean? Yeah, people, giving thanks to life, cause that's how me always do, people. Give thanks to life, you know what I mean? Give the Almighty thanks to life. Cause every day, people, you just don't know what tomorrow may bring. You get what me I say? So every day, just give God thanks for life. You have breath to blow. You live to see your next day, you know what I mean? You wake up, you feel good. You can drink some water, you brush your teeth, you go take a shower. Give thanks for life to the Almighty. Because thousands, you understand, of people across the globe, people, cannot do that. Remember me tell you that they can't, because what? Life gone. So you have it, give thanks for it to the Creator up above. So now I want to talk about people, and based on you see the title, you understand, yeah. And this is serious thing what me I go talk about now. This is not joke thing, because every time this thing comes boom and I create a havoc and thing in a Jamaica, people, me always do vlog about it. You understand? And me I talk about this COVID thing now, people. Because now I have seen where this COVID thing comes boom and I get up the back in a Jamaica now, my viewers and subscribers. So after, you know, it did come boom and I get under control, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I mean, even that go call it to get under control, but because we did see where the cases then come, so man, go down. So when we have the bag of case, them go up on a daily basis, people, where we did see, you know what I mean, where deaths going down, and we we're not happy to see even one of the there nobody are dead, people, but at least it was going down. At least deeper cases were going down, people, where some of the time we even have 50 odd, some of the time we even have, you know what I mean, 60 odd, 90 odd, but now my viewers and subscribers on this Sunday, Zine, and after I see where somebody sent something now to me from the Ministry of Health in Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers, and they have up to almost 400 in one day and over 6 deaths now, my viewers and subscribers. And when me look on the corresponding previous days, them up onto the date, you understand, of this release where they have the change that had people, just see it comes home and climbing up on daily basis on the scale. So when me say now, people, we in a trouble at Jamaica, and we in a problem, and this is real thing, people. You know why? And who must blame? Honestly, our government. Zane? Yes, because on a real level, me I go tell you the truth, people. We have a government, then you government, and they're there to rule. Zane? And no matter when the people want to come say, yo, Anjo, what up a country make we keep party, Zane, Anjo, do this, do that, Zane, Anjo must come boom as the government and know what is right for the people and for the country. Or what him need for the people is watch other country out there and see how them a control this thing now, my viewers and subscribers. Because when Anjo comes boom and him see the thing comes boom and I get lesser people, Zane, and him feel so good, feel so great. You know what I mean? So yeah, him can extend the time, him can free up this and free up that, people. Let me tell him something, man. One of the worst movie he ever make. Yeah, it was one of the worst movie he ever make. I don't check what people want, so all we Andrew need for the people in at the time. Zane, and me I gotta be truthful and me I gotta be realistic. Zane, all we him did need for do, my viewers and subscribers, is to continue. When even he may not do it, but he need to take care of the people them. Give the people them money, give the people them food, and still keep the restrictions. You understand? Not until you can get a certain amount of the people them vaccinated. Because anybody want to have the talk and come forward and based on the fact and say, yo, vaccine this, nah work, and it nah this and a foolish, this and them, he not that a trick on this. Listen what me I say. If you need the reading very good, and I understand. You see, if they never have this vaccine, something I go around, me I gotta be truthful and realistic. I don't check. When me are talking to people, this is one thing with me, and why with me. See, when me talk, me no response. When people want to say, NEWLINK, you're idiot, you're a fool, you know, so this, you don't come, me always get that. But when me talk people, I'm talking based on the fact where I read and I do my research, then me come so boom and do my vlog. See, so if Then comes a boom and them check people and say the vaccine all work. If you check the countries them and how them did a reap up and a trip up people and looking at some daily period. And if they ain't come forward and come some woman and vac up the people them. You feel say things is that better? You think say that better? Jamaica never in no region for come some boom because Jamaica people ain't never vac up people. Check the fact now man. I just know when they get the change down had $1,000 worth of new supplies now. You hear them and say, yo, yeah, all adults can't get the thing now. Because remember, it was only certain set of people that were catering for people. Zine? And the younger one, them now people, then come boom, and of them, they come boom, and I got the party, them and this and that, and that's for the thing. So if the man did smart people, then, indeed, I mix up the thing with the young and with the old. Boy, my chose say, yo, he was just thinking about the fact where that are happening people with the older folks. See, and him think say, yo, the younger ones are go carry and go kill the. But him not think about the facts. Say, look at the man. This COVID thing no partial nobody. Whether young, whether old, nobody partial. See, because a lot of people out there, young people, big people, they have underlying sickness or illness so they not even know about until certain things do happen and then come to one look at test and they find out so them have them something of people. See? So, we in a trouble in a Jamaica right now, my people. When we feel come boom and if we did do the right thing all along, my viewers and subscribers, if Andrew did not do the right thing, people, we would have been in a better position by far. You get what I say? We would have to think now and a fret. Like a lot of people have to fret and a worry now. Zin, we have seen how much the tourism sector has been affected in Jamaica. How would I look for the thing now, my people? Zin, we come boom. And we happy for we hotel people and get back job. Zane, but think about the fact when no cruise ship is coming into Jamaica. And think how much people been affected. Because remember, tourism don't base on the fact say a plane that carry tourism in Jamaica. You know? We have visitors who are cruise line visitor who come from cruise ship people. And them are the one who support mostly jewelry store them. All the little souvenirs them what the Indian them want. You understand from Montego Bay to Ocho to Falmouth to down the Negril side go back up there. So you understand? These are the people them who come boom and support them. So we are talking about the one them who come on the cruise. Something my people. Zin, when I think about the Jota driver them, the Maxi driver them, the one who drive the bus them and carry the passengers people. They have been affected so much also. So when you look into the whole of them, something I know my viewers and subscribers, you see much things, Think about it, my people. Think about the craft vendors, them. Think about them. Think about the man who always do look cooking for the people and who come and visit the Baba side. Think about the local destination, them now, my people. Zin, see how much people has been affected and been hurt by this thing? Honestly, we're in a big trouble. And when I look at the thing, people, it's like it a go get rougher, it a go get harder because if the thing kind of go up so now people, and everybody don't know Android go now. Once anything start lick up and chip up so now people, Andrew turn full. You understand? Changi, all of them turn full. Who a mini style, tough tani, all of them turn idiot. See? And then start do all type of things because in the end of people are what we need to understand as poor people. See? We all need to understand is that, look here, when they come forward and put in any, you understand, anything what them put in people, when they implement and put in any restrictions, it not bother them, it not affect them people because they're rich already. For them house don't stack out with food already. See? Then come some woman them have them driver what drive them go to service people. Then still I do for them thing people. You understand? But we look at poor people now. We don't have nothing. Think about it people. And they don't care. They don't check for us. See? So we know that's why we have to come some people. Even without them, we have to practice, We have to do our own thing to practice how to survive and beat this thing. But because a lot of people have failed to listen to people and then can't hold it off and them have follow some bigger don't say they understand like some man who claims say them a promoter and this and a force and I say yo, open up country and make party keep on this and that. Country can't open up on this and that for party keep. The poor people ain't even now work no money. Or not think about if we go keep party for the people and do it. Where them are going to get money from? We should know say yes, you find some people who find money. I don't know where they find it people. But they always find it. They always dig and they find it. But when me ask the people on a real level, yo, we're in a big trouble. We're in a big problem in Jamaica right now, people. And this is a warning. I want the people to watch the video. I want to share the video. You understand? Send it panding all of the necessary things them for the people, them see it people, and have a real understanding of when me I talk about and look into things. This video people, me are the people, of my poor people in Jamaica, we need to look into things. We have to come forward now, and we have to do one thing because they not check. They not care for we, you know. You understand how we have to go beat this thing? Zin? Me say how much people have been affected. We know say hotel are run yes and this and that, but think about the people who come to boom and benefit from the cruise ship visitors them in the island. Thousands of Jamaica do benefit from this and think how them are survive now. Some of them have to do some underline work with them never do in their life or with them that preach them now do. You understand? But then still try to beat it out. You know, because what they have picnic to take care of, they have bills to pay, they have this, they have that. It's rough and it's tough. But what? Our government people, them no come there now think. If they were thinking like how lot of other countries are doing people, we country that better. And the body got talk about Jamaica how much people. How much people there are Jamaica? How much people there are Jamaica? We have a very population like if we reach 3 million then. Now it's a 3 million people. How much square feet a country we have? One look at that pan them up. Think about some big country have how much case and how then come someone to control anything. So if we say we could do it, if we did have real people who could have come to boom and stand up real way, if we say we think we do better, we think we do govern more. But because we don't have that people, that's why our things set like that. See? And that's why we fall short and win a them problem, you know. You get me I say? But the people, God go with me. That's all we can say. God go with me and let we just play our part. Big up on the sell my people. I don't know what they're attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production people. And just want the people them get the message. Because when me get the thing people, a long time me not come to go and deliver something like this on a real level. Me know people, but them thing are going to come. Them type of message are going to come when the Almighty speak and decide say, yo, NEWLINK, a time to give the people them the scene. That the time it comes. So, more love my people, more respect, more blessings, and just be safe out there and do the right thing. You understand? Remember to like the video, my people, share the video, comment on the video. Please subscribe if you don't subscribe the people. Please do. You understand? Road to 200 we saying the people, you know what I mean? Yeah, them no want to reach 200 people, but them can't stop this. And we say attack and we say flames my people. Them can't stop it, people. Them want to say NEWLINK now keep no more back to school treat people, but them can't stop it, people. Zane, all when we now get no support, all when we now get nothing, people, we are going to do it. You see? Because last year, support the poor, all we come somewhere, we ask the people to donate and support the thing, people. The people, them, they come to boom and come forward. You understand? And this year, people, we say we are at the head and we say, but look at the man, you say anything when me are the people, I do it from my heart and just Caesar knows that some of my blessings come. Big up to the real ones, them who that come to boom and come forward and support the movements. You understand, my people? But yo, kids, don't know. When you don't worry yourself, the attacking boss there. Because you don't know. More love, more respect, more blessings of people and peace. And yo, I just God me say. You know what I mean? Stay up on the safe lane. Remember, people, check out the NEWLINK merch and get the NEWLINK shirt them and thing. You understand NEWLINK or the NEWLINK phone case them. You get what me I say, people. Support the movement, man. If you want to contribute to the channel, people, you want to support the back to school treat, true people, check in the description, people, and just buy back to school treat. Just write a NEWLINK for the back to school treat. Boom. If you give a donation towards the channel, NEWLINK, that towards the channel, boom, done deal. You understand, the people? Become a NEWLINK patron also. Just check below in the description, my people. Peace, love, respect. Me there too long, me know. You chat too much, NEWLINK. Peace.